Good morning, guys. It is a nice, beautiful Saturday morning here in Charleston. Perfectly flat conditions this morning. Absolutely gorgeous. Gonna go out, try and grab some redfish today, maybe a few sharks. I don't really know what the day has planned for us, but I do know that we're gonna start off by getting bait and take you along for the ride.
That's incredible. Wow.
Hard times.
Hard times out here, folks.
That boy prehistoric right there.
All right. It's like a slide.
Yeah. 90% of people quit before they win. Before they win.
More shrimp and ribbon fish every throw.
It's getting a little unfortunate out here today.
Oh, shrimp's good bait.
Yeah, shrimp's good. We're good on that. We got what, 4?
No, we got
4.
7 or 8 now.
Oh, all right. 8 shrimp. I think we're good for the day.
The net was a little looped on itself. Oh, you're good.
Oh yeah, I can hear them all around us. You ready?
All right, brother.
Locked and loaded today, boys.
Where's the net?
Locked and loaded, boy.
Really heavy enough to be locked. Can you reverse these?
We are loaded up on them now. Let's go crush some reds.
We went out, saw the lighthouse, and then
Started catching redfish.
and she's like, I really want to catch a big redfish. And then we just happened to find a big school of menhaden. I'm like, I just don't have tackle for this.
Oh no.
And first rod out, it just, I was like, stop them on our 3000. So
Yeah.
25 minutes later, we had this monster redfish up. Just make sure the anchor doesn't get caught up in the chain. Perfect. It's gonna be a little tricky at first because the water's trying to wash over the rocks, but hopefully it grabs pretty fast with all that chain. No, the more chain just to get it to hold bottom.
You want me to just swing it up into the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, he good, man. He good, man. What I'm saying. Wayfair. Shopping is a pleasure. Hey, remember what happened the last time we caught a black sea bass first? first fish?
We started ripping them after
Started
that.
ripping them after that, eh?
1 hour later.
We are currently at the South Jetty where there are no fish. Lots of water, lots of waves, no fish.
No fish. We had alcohol though. Oh! Oh god. What did I just sit on? Oh, it went in my butt. Whoops. Maybe we'll catch a fish, maybe we won't. Got one on, bull.
Keep reeling, keep reeling. Don't stop. Never stop. Please don't be a shark. Please don't be a shark. It's probably a hand, man.
Tell me a redfishy. Please be a redfish. Please be a bowl.
If he starts to run, just put the rods down in the water.
There he goes. He's running.
Oh.
What do you want me to do?
Rods it down. You're fine. Keep reeling. Yep. Keep them there. I'm gonna tighten your drag just a little bit. Stop reeling. Stop. That's a shark.
Ah. Damn it. No, I do not want to hold him.
Come on. Look over on your back and go sleep.
Or you could do what CJ did. Your granny, like, it was like a baby one.
Oh.
And then
And you
you
tried
had
to
it by
hand it to
the,
my mom, holding it by the freaking tail.
his mom almost went over the water and then launched off the boat like a freaking football.
It should pop out.
You want some pliers?
Not yet. Shark.
Little shark action, boy.
Baby shark.
Fish off French. Not.
It's an Atlantic sharpnose, also known as a dogfish. Bye.
That's not nothing. Had to hook up on a little bit of Menhaden. I just cannot reel left-handed, bro. Golly. Excuses, typical.
Have to figure it out, guy. You get a redfish and not a shark, please. The fact that it's already given up makes me feel like it's a shark.
Oh, there it goes.
Shark? I haven't seen it yet. If he goes around under the boat, just put the rod tip down. The fact he's staying right there tells me it's likely a shark.
Shark!
Bonnet head. Alright.
Well, angry guy. I call this move the shark.
Go sit. Go sit.
Make my boat dirty. Yeah, Steven, that really does hurt.
What, you get smacked?
Yes.
Did the line cut its tail?
Woo! Oh, pet.
Bonnet head. Beautiful. She's a little muddy.
She's fine though.
Please be red.
I see the lines. Yep.
I don't like the fact you went ocean for sharks. The current is ripping down there.
I think I saw orange. Nope, shark.
Is it a shark?
Yeah.
Keep running, Bo.
Alright, here. Another shark. Right. Here, on shark bite.
Not what I wanted.
Maybe we just gotta get everyone hooked up on sharks first. Videographer.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
That one was heavy.
Toad on.
Watch that other rod. It's not out yet, so we're sick.
Please don't be a shark.
It's fighting very bizarrely, so. Pulling itself down.
Oh god.
Okay, it now realize it's hooked. Have you not seen it yet?
Nope. Oh, it's a
Shark.
shark. He gone.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna let him do that for a couple more minutes though, before I try to grab him.
Okay. He wants a break. Oh, no, he does not. That is a lot of rain. And a boat.
Hey-o. Hey. You just pick him up right there. Okay, he's a floppy boy.
Not happy.
They'll go to sleep when they're upside down. Oh, he actually swallowed this one.
Dang, boy.
Give me a pair of pliers.
What time is it? Actually,
Like, it's like 10 o'clock.
yeah.
What times are here? 10:90.
10:19. We just ran from a major rainstorm, and I think all of us are a little more wet than we pleased to be. But moving on to the next spot. Hopefully, we can get some reds. Got a few sharks earlier. I got some clips of that. But yeah, so we'll see what happens.
Many months later.
Yeah, do
Sorry,
that.
I can't see the
Because I
line
didn't
at
know.
all.
All right, 2 o'clock update. We've honestly been skunked for the last how many hours?
5, 6.
5, 6 hours since we were out there.
Y'all been
this morning.
skunked. I caught black sea bass, I pinned fish, you caught a bluefish. Y'all just picky.
I hooked a bluefish.
Yep.
Pretty proud of that one. So, you know, maybe it'll get better. We're gonna go try one of the barges around here and see if we can't get on a red, because I think we're all gonna feel like jumping off of the bridge if we don't catch a redfish today. I, for one, feel that way. So,